Here's your Storm Track 5 weather forecast. Now, meteorologist Ricky Matthews.
Well, good Sunday morning, everybody. Lots of sunshine around this morning. That's what we'll continue to see as we head into the afternoon hours. Check out our Bays Mountain Kingsport camera this morning. Notice the glowing orange of the sun there this morning. 36 degrees, though. Still a little bit cool, even though we've got that sunshine around. A northwest wind at 8, making it feel like 30 degrees this morning in Kingsport. Let's also check out Johnson City, Tennessee, and check in at Buffalo Mountain. 36 there, calm wind, so no feels like temperature cooler there this morning, but still a really kind of cool morning with temperatures in the middle 30s. Max alert radar and satellite put together, sweeping clear this morning. Not a whole lot of cloud cover out there. Nothing really going on in terms of rainfall, and that's what we'll continue to see as we head into the afternoon. Cold front, what we call a clipper system, swung through last night. Behind that, ushering in some cooler air with a west to northwest wind as we go throughout today, making it feel a little bit cooler. The good news is, as we go into the day tomorrow, we will see a shift. We're going to be watching this system out to the west across portions of the Midwest, across Chicago, sweeping into our areas. We go later into the day on Monday, but ahead of that system, we'll see a southwesterly wind. When you get a southwesterly wind across our area, that helps bump temperatures up into the 60s, and I think tomorrow will be in the mid to upper 60s. A very nice day on tap for Monday for some rain showers move in overnight, and then we see some cooler weather returning as another northwest wind moves in and cools our temperatures down for Tuesday. So what are we looking at today? Look at a little bit of a closer up version. Let's show you a future track here locally. Notice as we go throughout the day, not a whole lot going on. No clouds really around, no rainfall to talk about. But as we go into the day on Monday, that does start to change a little bit. We'll stop it here at 8 a.m. on Monday. Notice still clear skies around. Could have a little bit of patchy frost tonight with those cooler conditions moving in. But then as we go later into the afternoon, notice how some clouds start to move in. A few scattered showers here and there. Nothing too widespread. About a 50 to 60% shot for some showers tomorrow afternoon. Then as we go into Monday evening, into the overnight hours, we continue to see some showers. And then eventually into overnight Tuesday, temperatures drop into the lower 30s. And we do see the rainfall chances go down as well. Now, winds this morning still a little bit breezy across some of the higher elevations, especially across North Carolina towards Boone, Mountain City. Winds later today will decrease down to about the 5 to 10 mile per hour range, but increasing once again on Monday ahead of that next frontal system that sweeps through. Winds to gusts as high tomorrow, upwards of 30 miles per hour at times. Probably not as breezy as what we had last night, so we'll keep our severe threat tracker only in the medium alert level for Sunday and Monday. Then on Tuesday, dropping it down into the low alert level. Let's check out your highs across the region today. Temperatures generally in the middle 50s for Abington in the Tri-Cities, 53 in Mountain City, about 57 in Elizabethton, sunny and cool, 52 in Norton, 55 in Clintwood, and 54 degrees in Grundy. Here's our lows tonight, and a few things to point out to you here. Notice how in the valleys we're down into the middle 30s, a little bit of patchy frost possible, but Boone and Grundy and portions of Russell County, maybe towards Abington, actually a little bit warmer tonight. So if you like the 40s, maybe head up to Norton tonight because we'll have what's called a temperature inversion setting up, leaving you guys a little bit warmer for tonight. So in the valley, 36 degrees clear, patchy frost. Tomorrow, nice and warm, 68 degrees, a little bit of morning frost around, increasing clouds throughout the day, and then some showers around. Here's your 7-day forecast, 68 for tomorrow with a southwesterly wind, a little bit cooler, kind of an up and down roller coaster over the next several days after that. And then looking ahead to the weekend, perhaps a little bit of a messy setup late week into the first portion of the weekend, with temperatures dropping from the 50s into the 40s. Could see a little bit of a wintry setup as we go into Thursday night into Friday. We'll be watching that. Doesn't look like anything major, but still maybe a few snowflakes to deal with. Or I know snowflakes are not what we want to deal with.
You just never know what you're going to get around the Tri-Cities.
It's still spring, and you know we typically do get these cold blasts here and there with perhaps some mountain snow, especially the higher up you go. But you know, you just don't want to deal with that for 70s.
No, exactly. And you want to see that nicer spring weather move in, but that's coming.
Summer will be here eventually.
I can hardly wait. All right. Thank you so much, Ricky. And